my name is Stephanie McCloskey and I am with Estée Lauder.
And I'm Larry Barr with the Dillards Estée Lauder Galleria location.
We're so excited to be here with you today to talk about our #1 for everyone, advanced night repair. And Estée Lauder is an inclusive beauty brand, which means we have something for everyone.
Including men.
And why you're gonna love advanced night repair so much is it's giving you 7 benefits in one bottle. This serum is gonna help with lines, wrinkles, hydration. It's gonna strengthen your skin, and it's really just gonna hydrate and keep your skin looking its best.
And it's also going to help you look your best if you want to go out at night to go out for a good time with friends. And it is beauty in a bottle, nighttime in a bottle.
You're gonna wake up looking like you got a full 8 hours of sleep, even if maybe you didn't. So come check us out at Dillard's Houston Galleria, Black Friday and Saturday. We will be here offering 20% off the Estée Lauder brand. Check out our #1 advanced night repair and get a sample.
And ask for Larry or Siri at the Estée Lauder counter. Thank you.
Thank you.